Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to enable or disable End Task in Taskbar in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get right into it. To enable or disable the End Task option in the taskbar in Windows 11, follow these steps. Right-click the Start menu and click on Settings, or press the Windows key, +I to open Settings. Click on System in the Settings menu. Click on the For Developers tab. Toggle the End Task switch to enable it. This feature is available starting with Windows 11 version 2.3H2. Once enabled, you can right-click on an app in the taskbar and select End Task to close it without needing to open the Task Manager. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.